Judy and Fumi said, use high and low register appropriately. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. Yes, just like in the Helen Keller exercise that you said that you did. Remember when you were using quotation marks and when you said when you read said, comma, and then the quotation mark. You have to use it before.
Can you use colon instead of comma?
Oh, not in this case,
No?
because then you don't have a complete sentence here. Jody and Fumi said what? So you cannot use a colon in this.
So if it was like Jody and Fumi said the following, colon.
Yeah, yeah. But also, well, I'm not proficient in the use of colon or semicolon.
Yeah.
So I would say stick with the comma. Because I'm not sure. I know, well, I think there is a rule with the following. You use the colon. Yeah, when you will name a three or more. I don't know how many, so I really don't know about this.
Yeah, I think next presentation or next presentation is about colon. So please keep that question.
Also, Kelly is a writer. She still makes grammatical mistakes, believe it or not.
That's your fail.
Okay.
Correct.
Incorrect.
Incorrect?
Yes. Both sentence and
Yes, it is incorrect and it's not true. Because you use a comma to connect two independent clauses without a coordinating conjunction. Like in that case, is a writer. We're not using a coordinating conjunction such as and. If we were using also Kelly is a writer, forget about it. Okay, it is correct. It is correct. Next one.
Okay.
Peter Groth, you might know him, told me that he goes to the farmer's market every Tuesday with his grandchildren. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect. Incorrect.
Incorrect?
Doesn't need comma.
Yeah, do you want to explain why?
But it doesn't need comma. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Because you don't need a comma before the clause beginning with that. He told me that. If we just say told me, like in the previous example that he said or she said, comma. Okay, we're almost done. The coach gave medals to the team who won a competition. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect? Yes, you don't need a comma here to the team who won a competition because you are losing the meaning. You're losing the meaning of the sentence. You don't use a comma around a phrase or clause that provides essential restrictive information. Our paper should be cohesive, coherent, and concise.
Incorrect. Incorrect.
Okay, it is incorrect because we don't have to use a comma to separate a verb from its object or complement. It's similar to one of the first rules we were seeing here. Yeah. This is my editing assignment, not yours.
Correct.
Correct? Yes. Because we use a comma to separate contrasting parts of a sentence, like this. This is my editing assignment. And when you say not yours, it's contrasting the sentence.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
If instead of comma there is an and, but there's still contrasting parts like, this is my editing assignment and not yours, do we then need a comma or no?
No, we don't need it in that case. Not in that case.
So is that possible to put the and in the
even put and is not a fully complete sentence.
Yeah, we
okay.
can.
I
You
see.
can use
Yeah.
it, but this is like giving more emphasis to the. This is my agent assignment, not yours. It gives more emphasis. If you use and, you're also changing. Not changing the meaning, but you're losing the emphasis that you want to give with the comma.
No, but
Or
you understand what I mean, right?
Can you repeat the question again?
Yeah, like after and you should put the complete
Oh,
sentence with
after.
subject, verb and objective. But if you put not, if you put and here, then the sentence in the behind is not a fully sentence. And I was just wondering, is that possible to put and in the beginning?
Okay. This is my editing assignment and not yours. I would say it's not grammatically correct. I don't think it's correct. Yeah.
What about like sentence? It's black and not white.
Black. It's black, comma, not white.
No, yeah. Yeah, like this color is black, not white. Then you need a comma. But what if like this color is black and not white?
That would be.
Do you also say that
It's
as
still
Yeah,
correct.
well, but-
You just don't need the comma. You
But
compare
like-
the trans.
Well,
Well, I'm not sure about it. Maybe after we can ask Kelly.
She's not here.
Yeah, she's not here now, but when she comes back, we might ask her. Okay. Well, I forgot my wallet at home. I'm sorry. You'll have to pay today. Is it correct or
Correct.
incorrect?
Correct.
oh, sorry.
Yeah,
It was correct.
Yeah, the rule here is to use a comma when beginning sentences with introductory words such as well, now, or yes. Well, I forgot my wallet. You have to pay. And the last
Last one.
one. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect?
Correct.
Yeah, McCain is correct. Carmel Valley offers many attractions to its visitors, such as wineries, art galleries, and hiking. You don't have to use a comma after such as. You
Okay.
use it before, but not after. Okay. To summarize, before this, you guys have any comments regarding the rules?
Do you wanna
Yes.
say questions?
Yeah, questions.
Any questions?
I'm thinking only about commas.
Okay, then let's move to summary then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, as you could see, there are many, and we didn't cover all the rules of comma usage. There are many more that you might encounter, but we summarized 5 of the most common uses of commas. In lists, when you're listing 3 or more items or adjectives, as we saw in the exercise, in parenthetical phrases, between adjectives, before quotes, and to separate clauses. About the separation of clauses, please be aware to use it correctly, to use the comma correctly, and do not err by creating a run-on sentence or a comma splice, which is my most common mistake when I'm writing, and perhaps yours too. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.